Hello listeners, welcome you. I am Raghupati, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Tandepariya Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. So now I am going to explain about data pre-processing in data mining. So in real world, database are highly susceptible to noisy, missing and inconsistent data due to their typical huge size and their likely origin from multiple heterogeneous sources. There are several data pre-processing techniques are there. Data cleaning can be applied to remove noise and correct inconsistency in database. Data integration merges data from multiple sources into coherent data store such as data warehouse. Data transformation, example normalization may be applied where data are scaled to fall within smaller range like 0.0 to 1.0. Data reduction can reduce data size by, for instance, aggregating, eliminating redundant features or clustering. This can improve the accuracy and efficiency of mining algorithm involving distance measurements. So these techniques are not mutually exclusive, they may work together. In data quality, why pre-processing need? Data have quality too, they satisfy the requirements of intent use. There are many factors comprising data quality, including accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeless, believability and interoperability. Imagine that you are a manager that all electronics and have been charged with analyzing the company data with respect to your branch's sales. You immediately set out to perform this task. To scenario illustrates three of the elements: defining data quality, accuracy, completeness and consistency. The major task in data processing, pre-processing, the data cleaning routines work to clean the data by filling in missing values, smoothing noisy data and identifying or removing outliers and resolving inconsistencies. Getting back to our task, all electronic goods, suppose that you would like to include data from multiple sources in your analysis. The data reduction obtains the reduced representation of data set that is much smaller in volume, yet produce the some analytical result. Dimensional reduction, the data encoding schemes are applied so as to obtain a reduced or the compressed representation of the original data. So numericity reduction, the data are replaced by alternative smaller representations using the parametric model. Example, the regression or long linear model or non-parametric models. Example, heterogeneous clusters sampling or data aggregation. So see this diagram. So there are data cleaning and data integration and data reduction is there. So all are pointing to the some data storage areas. So here in the table, attribute 1, attribute 2, it has a number of attributes are given. So like as transaction also T1, T2 up to number of transactions also given. So here, say our intention is to cleaning the data and integrate the data. So here, so whenever we are cleaning the data, it has to be a noiseless data, and integration is that the data to be integrated with the multiple resources. So in data cleaning, a real world data tend to be incomplete, noisy and inconsistency. Data routines attempt to fill the missing values, smooth out noise while identifying outliers and correct inconsistencies in data. In this section, we will study basic methods for data cleaning. So then missing values, in that missing values, how can we go about filling in the missing values for this attribute? Imagine that you need to analyze all electronic sales and customer data. We note that many tuples have no recorded values for several attributes such as a customer income. So it has a number of tuples are there. The ignore the tuples. This method is not very effective unless the tuple contains the several attributes with the missing values. This is usually done with the class labels is missing. Assume the mining task involves a classification. And second is the filling in the missing values manually. In general, this approach is time consuming and may not be feasible given in large data set with many missing values. And third one is use a global constant and to fill in the missing values. They replace all missing attributes values by the same constant such as a label like unknown or infinity. If missing values are replaced by say unknown, then the missing mining program may mistakenly think that they form an interesting concept since they will have value in common that of unknown. And fourth one is use the most probably value to fill in the missing values. This is may be determined with the regression interface the based tool using a Bayesian formalism or decision trees. So noisy data means the noisy is a random error or variance in measured values. We saw how some basic statistical descriptions techniques, example the box plots and the scatter points, and the methods of values visualization can be used to identify outliers which may represent noise. Thank you.